where's your computer? Where's your computer over here? It's over here, love.
Oh, he has a play computer. I didn't see that.
Yeah. Look what I have. I have a computer too. Want to help me? And here you can click on your little mouse. That probably was really hard to do. Well, we can put this one up there, and then you can pretend that that's super fun to play with. You want to touch that? Yeah? You can do it. Yeah, press it. You did it! Yay! Good job. Oh, and where do you put that ball? Where can we put that ball? Where can we put it? Put it in there. That's a good place. You can spin it. Put it in here with the monkey. Woo! You want to try?
Oh, can you go in your tent? You want to go in your tent? Where's your tent?
Your tent.
Where's your tent?
Where's your tent? Where's your tent? Where is your tent? Where's the tent? Oh, yay! You found it. Let's not play with that one. But you can play with this computer inside your tent. Do you want to put this inside your tent? You can put it over here. Want to help me? This is going to be your little office. You're going to come to do your work. You have some friends. There's a little giraffe friend who wants to sit with you. Hello? Hello? Okay. Give me a bit. You carry it, you're so strong. What's this? Click, 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 click.
Uh-oh.
You okay?
Oh, brush it off. Brush it off.
Shake it off.
Brush it off.
Here.
Can you bring your
Don't touch
computer to Papa Kenny? Where's Papa Kenny?
Kenny, show me your computer.
Papa Kenny! Papa
Oh, he knows who
Kenny!
you are.
Papa Kenny! Hi, Papa Kenny!
Hey.
Hi, Papa Kenny!
Hey.
Hi.
Hi, Owen. Coming to visit? Oh, you're gonna get out the broom.
You're going to show off your cleaning skills. Sweep, sweep, sweep the floor. Thank you, honey. You're so kind. Sweep the floor here. You want to sweep? You want to sweep and I'll hold it? That's the top for your bottle.
Hey.
Can you go give Papa Kenny a kiss?
You give Papa Kenny a kiss. Mwah. Can you give him a kiss? Mwah. Slight obstacle of the chair.
Hey. You got the chair out of the way.
That's my bag.